Good morning, everyone. My today's video topic is electoral politics, and this is from class 9 Political Science, chapter 3. So, this chapter 3 teaches us about electoral politics in India. So, to illustrate, this chapter starts by talking about Haryana election. So, now we are going to study about Haryana's election. The state Haryana was ruled by Congress from 1982 to 1986. So, in the state Haryana, the state was ruled by the Congress from 1982 to 1986. The people were unhappy with the ruling government. So, what happened is that the people of Haryana were very unhappy with the long-term ruling of government in that state. So, the leader of opposition Naya Youth Party by Chaudhry Devi Lal. So, what happened is that the opposition party leader of Naya Youth Party, the leader is Chaudhry Devi Lal, joined hands with other opposition party. So, what she did is she also joined her hands with the other opposition party of that state, and with other opposition parties, and thus a front was formed to fight against the Congress in the next election. So Chaudhry Devi Lal botai kaisa opposition party by botangi hand join khaika hanke o Congress party no jesake fano fall down khaina ni bagai ba next year ro Congress party no tai tu bulia o state borok no phaisinai hne o je Chaudhry Devi Lal tai bini party ni borok tai kaisa opposition a state ni opposition party by join hands khaika. So botam khaika hanke election ni je campaign no botam hne borok no promise khaika hanke Devi Lal promised made the people vote overwhelmingly in favor of Lok Dal and its allies. Singatam kha Chaudhry Devi Lal bo Haryana ni borok no campaign khaiprobo emon khe campaign khaika jena ki bini o je promise rok no khna oi Haryana state ni borok bini kok no khnai onek tongthok jakatai bono sajak baikha. The latter won 76 seats out of 90 in the state assembly. Inga tamkha jefru naki election kha afro nga hingke bo 90 seats ni bisingo 76 seats borok paikhapu. So she was chosen as leader of Lokdal and by the newly elected MLS. But in 1991, Congress again won the election. Katamkha bo 70 out of 90 seat ni jaga wo 76 ta seat to pai bono mane borong ni je party to mani abono paikha. Inka paimani pore she was also chosen as a leader of the Lokdal by the newly elected MLS. Inka tamkha 1991 of Gankati Vaisa in the state Haryana Congress rock Tesha Paibikapu might be Chaudhry Devi Lal je promise khaimani a promise rock ni uporo pokase like what to say promise rock no bo fulfill khaimali ana boro rock ni je needs tongma rock no bo fulfill khaimali ana. That is why Congress rock asuk bosor tongmani pore suduno borok ti Vaisa 1991 of Gankati Vaisa election of pai borok te Vaisa keplai ngi phaipi jauka. So now, why do we need election? Sung tangi election nangpo. An election is a mechanism adopted by almost 100 countries by which people can choose their representatives at regular interval and change them whenever they want to. So why do we need election is election no sung tangi nang ke sung icha mote ke sini je sajamani borok no sung jidiri mano sung jodino o borok no saji gangke sung bono te Vaisa a party ni boti khlai mano ba bono hariri mano. So the system of election was adopted by almost 100 countries. Almost 100 countries by almost 100 countries saw the system of election adopted khazakapo. So it is an important task that has to take place regularly in a democracy to choose representative as per people's choice. So in a democratic country, elections just kepono masma angnai, that is also after every 5 years. So orotam saka je election hinke kaisa important task that has to take place regularly. Election emon ekta task je naki bo regularly ba after every few years bo jeske phono ungna se nangnai jat, so that we can choose our own representatives or je borokni choice a borokno power of hainani bagai. So this is why we need the election. Next is what makes an election democratic. An election is a procedure by which people can select their candidate in a representative democracy or other forms of government. The legislature elects the government by majority vote in the legislature. Okay? An election is a procedure by which people can select a candidate in a representative democracy or other forms of government. Through only the process of election, sini je selected candidate ba je selected representative ba sung je chajangmani candidate no sung vote roi bono apply khaire mano. There is no other form than this. So tamung gangke whenever elections are done, je majority vote manai je paine bono je majority vote manai bono apply hinibo announce khair jago ba declare khair jago. So this is the process of election system in a democracy. So the minimum criteria for conducting a democratic elections are voters can choose who can make law for them. So everyone should be allowed to choose their own representative. So tam sajaka je voter can choose who can make law for them. Borong ibage je niyom kanon snami mannai borong no voter rock choose khainani o odikar bo tongna nangnai. And then everyone should be allowed to choose their own representative. Ang je borong no chajago ang a borong no vote khainani abo haibo odikar manna nangnai. Periodic election must be held after every few years. So democratic election khainani ingatamung after every few years elections bo ungnani nangnai fu. So election after every few years ingatamung aro kotal party rokbo chance manu ba kotal candidate rokbo borok contest khaina bagai borok chance manu ba kotal party phaikanke borong ni je policies tongmaro borong ni je khaina musungmani tongmaro amorok borok khaimano, and we can also decide khaimano who is best and who is not so. And the selected candidate must be of people's choice. Je candidate select khaijanai amorok jotono bororok ni choice ingna nangnai. A free and fair manner of election must be conducted where people can choose as they wish. So these are the criteria for conducting a democratic elections. Now next come, what is our system of election? What is our system of election in India? In India, after every 5 years, the term of all the elected representatives comes to an end and elections are held for Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Tamung sini India wo the terms of all the elected representatives rok borok tamung borong ni 5 bosor ni pore hingke borong ni power rok pai thangu. Abon pore borok te bisa contest khai borok te bisa pai hingke borok te bisa power rok phaiman piru. But borong ni terms hingke only 5 years and elections are held up again after that. Elections in India follow the policy of universal adult franchise. Any citizen who is 18 and above has the right to vote. This means that everyone should have one vote and each vote should have equal value. Katamo sini India wo elections are held after every 5 years sini India wo, and boba hai policy follow khai sini India wo ganke universal adult franchise system no sung follow khai. Universal adult franchise mane any citizen who is 18 and above has the right to vote, and this means that everyone should have one vote and each vote should have equal value. Mane khorok sab borok bini ekta vote no value rojanga nangnai equally buini hake. So this is our system of election in India. Next is challenges to free and fair elections. Although in India elections are effectively free and fair, every constituency might not abide by it. So tam sagaro, although in India elections are effectively free and fair, every constituency might not abide by it. Mane sini India wo elections free and fair ungo humpono joto jagawa amo engai maniapu. For example, unfair advantages is taken by wealthy candidates or parties over small parties. Tamang unfair মানে চায়া ব্যবহার বা চায়া বাবে খে অ্যাডভান্টেজ না যাকো সাবো অ্যাডভান্টেজ না যাক সাবো অ্যাডভান্টেজ না হকানকে যারা যে ওয়েলদি বরক অর এলস যারা যে গুনাং বরক অ্যাডভান্টেজ না হারি পাইফো অ্যান্ড দেন স্মলার পার্টিস রকন বরক হয়তো কোনো দমকি সমকি রক রই বরক অবা হাইকে স্মলার পার্টিস রং বরক দমক সমরই বরক আটকিরি টনিমান হয়তো অমা হাইতা খাইদি অবা হাইছে অ বরক সে অ ক্যান্ডিডেট সে অ বরক সে দিস টাইম কন্টেস্ট খাইনাই হিনে তেই মাসনো বরক দমক রই মানো সো ইন দিস ওয়ে তামসানাই ইলেকশন আনফেয়ার মিন্স সঙ্গি থাঙ্গো নেক্সট ইজ ক্যান্ডিডেট উইথ ক্রিমিনাল কানেকশনস অফেন পুশ others out of the electoral race and secure a ticket from major parties. Gortam sajakanke candidate with criminal records but criminal connections, not record, candidates with criminal connection. Je candidate na ki criminal khaine rok by connection tongo borok onek somoy tam khayenke borok race ni teimasa borok no push khairi roho pu out khai ri rohoro. Next is relative and family are given tickets. Obo getamo jara je relatives tai family tongnero borok simi ticket dok mani thampu. Ungo abo onek somoyo unguno. So this is my explanation about electoral politics, political science chapter 3 class 9. That's all. Thank you.